Okay guys, so in this video we are going to talk about how to implement switch case statements in Python. Now switch case statements means these kind of statements. Now we are currently implementing a Selenium framework, right, using Selenium Python. Now I want, based on like this open browser function will get the browser name as an argument. So Chrome, Firefox, IE, Edge, so those names I will get as an arguments here. Then if this is not a Python code, let's say this is a Java code, then I would have something like this. I would say void start browser, and then I will write a switch statement. I will pass in the name of the browser which I have got as an argument over here, right? And then I will write the cases. So if the browser name I have got is Chrome, then I will write this case Chrome, and this case Chrome will have a code to start the Chrome driver for me. If I have got this say Firefox as an argument to this function, that would be sent here in this switch, and this Firefox case would be executed, which will have the code to start the Firefox driver, right? But in Python we don't have switch statement support. Okay, now how can we achieve something like this in Python where there is no ready-made support, or like there is no switch statement available at all in the Python? So what we can do is, I'll just explain you this idea of the implementation, which is called a switcher. I mean, it is implemented just to replace the switch statements, right? Hence the name is switcher. You can call it anything, doesn't matter. So the idea is, we will create a dictionary. So this is our dictionary, browser driver switcher, a name of a dictionary which has key value. Now what is key here? Key is the name of a browser, and value is a name of a function which has the logic to start the respective Selenium driver, right? So Chrome key has start Chrome driver, a function name. This function has the implementation done to start the Chrome driver. Likewise, Firefox has the function start Firefox driver, function name stored against this Firefox key, and this function has the logic to start the Firefox driver. Likewise, we can have, like, if we want to support other browsers also in our framework, we can keep on adding the keys, respective keys, and against which we will store the names of the functions having the logic to start the required drivers, right? Now these functions we will implement, either you implement in the same file or in any other file, it's all up to you. So this function, now let's have a look at this function. What is that? So this function has the logic. We will talk about these errors afterwards, but I would just want to concentrate here on this total concept, like how this, when we don't have a switch statement, so how can we achieve this kind of implementation with the minimum required code, right? So let's concentrate on that right now. Let's ignore these errors as of now. So here there is a logic to start the driver, right? So that way this start Firefox driver will have the logic to start the Gecko driver, and then there would be few other functions to start the required drivers, right? And their names would be stored in this switcher against the respective keys. Okay, now where do I need to use these things? So in this web test we have one function called open browser, which once it would be called, it would be sent the name of the browser we want to start. So Chrome, Firefox, so those names would be sent while calling this open browser function as an argument. Now what we are doing here, just concentrate on this line number 15 and this line number 17. Now let's understand. So here this is a dictionary which I just showed you, right? So dictionary.get, and I am passing the name of the browser I have got as an argument. So Chrome, Firefox. So dictionary.get browser driver switcher.get Chrome. Okay, so Chrome is a key in my switcher, in my dictionary, this Chrome key. So I would say browser driver switcher.get Chrome, which will give me this, okay, which is a value of it. Now this is a function pointer, you can say, okay, a function name, function reference, function pointer, you can call it as any of this. Now I will store it here, right? So start Chrome driver, I'll store here, and I'll say this variable which has got the function pointer, and then I'll just put the parenthesis. So this particular statement will result into calling a function, a pointer of which is stored in this func variable, right? So this is the main idea here, right?